What you get use?
Yes, I get use.
Well, Famblem, I want for welcome you to the program. We use the program where they bring information come to you. I don't say you then also after this country you want for take part and the only way for do.
Now for watching the button screen, the number we they see 031-812174. You go use them for sending text and WhatsApp message where we go get my program.
Well, it will be your voice.
My voice.
Inside the program today, Saloon People's Party don't win Ward 350 by election constituency 099 Pujam District. Minister for Health and Sanitation don't talk to the country how they don't prepare for fight COVID-19. Fire kits, but 20 pan body them na Tigo around FBC Road. Chief Mane attack Gloucester Transformer again. Community watch the team go work and Grafton police barrack. This and more plus voices of the youth and other things inside the program. My name na that must say
Joey and Dumbuya.
Alright, we'll take a break and join with sponsors.
Your bank along with you everywhere you go. No need to stress when you don't have cash on you. With Mion FLCB Visa debit card, you're able to access your money, pay for goods and services, shop and send money online via ATM and POS devices in Sierra Leone and worldwide. It is convenient, secure and easy. SLCB, delivering value.
Say una dey.
Then I go there. Now what can I go from but I try to fix them now.
So na too like this black man business. You no go believe. Somebody even bring goats as gifts.
Oh my God. When na goats entirely la papa so?
I see our that lady all kind married in the accent.
Yeah, I will say there.
Where we reach, all man they no say we don't reach.
To the fullest during this orange season of Boku Boku Sweet Tindem. Now forget ready for experience and enjoy life even more and more. Well now the love does sweet.
Orange.
Well, I will start with this first one. Musai Salon's People Party don't win them by election. Now Ward 350 constituency 099 inside Pujol District. Make we join Joseph Toure as get more on the story.
By the powers vested in it under Section 33 of the Constitution of Sierra Leone, results are as follows. Ward 350, the total polling station reported 13 polling stations. Name of candidates, Kamara Mohammed Jr. and Sharif Lamin. Kamara Mohammed Jr., SLPP. Total valid votes obtained 1,668, representing 79.7%. Sharif Lamin, APC. Total valid votes 424, representing 20.3%. Therefore, in exercise of the powers conferred on me as the National Returning Officer by Section 94, subsection 4 of the Public Elections Act 2012, Act number 4 of 2012, I hereby declared Kamara Mohammed Jr. of the Sierra Leone People's Party, who having polled the highest number of valid votes cast, duly elected Councillor of Ward 350, constituency 099 in the Pujeon district, signed and dated to the 28th day of June 2021. Thank you.
Alright, the Minister for Health and Sanitation don't talk how the country don't ready for fight COVID-19. William Wise been talked to him and this is say.
I'm Dr. Austin Demby, I'm the Minister of Health and Sanitation for Salon. So, you rightly say this fight done go on for over 1 year now. I think it started in March of 2020. So, everything called the first wave. The first wave, we case them again, increase. Salon people them all come together. We'll get major lockdown, major restriction, and we will contain the transmission very quickly. So things go back to normal. Around Christmas time, we all in holiday maker then come, all in party there around, all in nominal open on land. There are 4 major interventions, actually 3 major interventions. And hygiene for ASEAN all the time, masking for wearing masks all the time, and social distancing. We look like all are been dropped small between the holiday season, and which now result in a major increase in the number of cases. That we call the second wave. So again, then put restrictive measures, then put lockdowns, and so the case then can down back. So now we don't see back just starting this June. The case then begin rise, but the theory rise now, it rise fast one past the first wave then. So we see a massive increase in the number of cases. So again, I'm not sure all not begin tired about all of the response they already get, but this is a serious situation. The number of the rise, we see what's happening in India, we see what's happening in South Africa, we see what's happening in Kenya, we see what's happening in Uganda, where the people then lost control but the CKI, how it explode in the end. So we want to avoid that. So we don't see this third wave with the number and don't begin increase. So one go back for intensify the same measure they know they take about the complete masking for everybody. But more importantly now, we get a 4th armament now we toolbox, the vaccine. The vaccine is very efficacious and very, very safe. And if we utilize this vaccine and all the other 3 measures, so we're in a much better position for containing this third wave. Unfortunately, right now, only 2% of the population don't get fully vaccinated. So right now, we get over 108,000 people there and don't get the first shot, and over 20,000 don't get the second shot. And I think the ones who are the audience can really understand that this sickness it is spread very, very quickly. But with this third wave, they see the bulk of the cases in inside Freetown area, the western area and western urban and western rural. They don't begin spikes show up in other places in the country. But if we never contain an then it spread throughout the whole country. It goes straight bad one. So right now, we intensity of the effort now in the western area for make sure we will contain that, even as we work now all of the 16 districts in the country.
In any way, if this thing come out of one of the Delta variants now, while as the people then medical people they talk, we get any preparedness for tackle them, like obviously the force will be able to address people.
So the important thing about the Delta strain, not to say it different by the way it infects people there or the difference with this Delta strain, the old strain there, it infect one person, infect 2, 3 person, 4, 5 person. But this Delta strain, it move fast. It involve 10, 15 people at the same time, So the key for response, now speed. how quickly we respond to this. Again, nobody knows they pray for the trouble cap. But the fact that we know how to tackle this and we know they fully utilize, and not a problem, So they try for encourage, for beg, for ask, for support. The whole nation will come together for fight this, and we get to do it at an individual basis.
Yes or no question, this vaccine is able for address the COVID-19 where you don't take you will be immune for making other disease?
So this is a very, very important question you raised. So, yeah, the vaccine, all vaccine them, where would they take? The vaccine, it they help you for if you get the sick, you be mild sick. Then not me say you sick bad one, you die. That's not any vaccine they do. Yeah. So when you get vaccinated, it means you protected from extreme illness, from bad sick. Yeah. But that not mean say enough for mask again, because even though you get the vaccine, you can still be infected. But it just be the way you're infected, the infection go mild.
Well, for Mianda, with the go side fire cage, past 20 pounds the host them, not Tigo around FBC Road, till Williams gets more.
Well, this fire, really, I don't know for what is fire. This fire is that happening. It was so miserable, no way to talk, because it happened around something like 5:30. The fire catch, they catch 7 something. So you see, we try our best for all this fire, but this fire, it become with so many tension, because when a pan body there and the place them be too close, that's why.
How you smart them? How they try?
How about let me. Area once you know says that youth and then get a community and then get the area, the place, because like this way happen. So if youth and not be like we so like me, I go inside the fire. The question I will see yourself. I still get the injury here. We will pass again for take some treatment. Yeah, we help for the fire and all disturb the other place the way reach it. But the side that we don't get now they will let the fire, they don't disturb the other place there. But actually born close to, let me say, yeah, 14 rooms there, yeah, they pass 5 rooms then plus the other 2 rooms with the under. So you go inside then 20 or something else. You see?
Alright. But I'm not getting on the fracas because you want to usually we place for the bone. Challenge can the way people someone can help but can teach people in property.
Well, the most problem is like me. Towards my own place this Diana Bongua and my sister Fatmata Kamara. Yes, like this place here, before the fire they come here towards here will be the offload the government self Mr. Lamin where we help we let them in more. So like this hour we don't get, we say for pull people and things there for let them go out. And once they pull, the one that will be the ghetto, we don't know who that will be the ghetto. Then people them back with the ghetto, then say don't know where the ghetto. So now so some of the things them after property then go miss around, we don't know that take, we don't know that we give. So now that make people not able to find out the things the way they pull. But some pull. But when you pull, you don't know that you give. Yes, so now so then thief some of the things there. Well, the most is that this community out there, so towards thank you for this new road exit so they don't make. And because of they don't make this new road, it will be fine and easy for left for us there for be able to they are a left to the length of pipe we then get. Because now I make as a fire force now forget much as the pipe for long for make it able to go if in a far distance safe. So now we're able to beg Papa government for making able to see to the strain of people and see to the constraint of waiting people they undergo. Like yesterday, so rain be the calm. And towards where the rain calm, people in a man na the pan, even that weapon. Now some people in the take they cover themselves like so. Yeah. So some family they cover said they hide for let they know soak the other thing. But why not they constrain really? Okay. Because yeah, every place occupied.
My name is Fatmata Kamara. Well, I know be there, I come out, so I be there down. So my brother called me and say, "If mommy was don't born because I'm my mommy there, my brother, my daddy, then I had them there. So with him, I'm so now my brother called me. So I shock now out the phone, now I take transport. I meet everything so far done born. I meet it man that they try for fate how best in case for some property them on no able. Well, I appeal to government and I call on the secretariat organization them, made them cancel with aid and made them cancel the victims, them made them rescue we. It's not really easy for we right now. Yesterday under an rain day, now so we soak. Now so we made them sleep in a door before that they cover tarapole. Now do we sleep. Everything's a bone. Wait till them pull all the lapa. Now in there with them right now.
Alright, Chief Mane don't go attack Gloucester Transform again. Well, we just want for Black Council now.
Yeah, I mean, as the councils, you know, the man of Gloucester. Well, the unfortunate Friday for Saturday morning, now we get this information, say they don't cut it again at this transformer. They don't can pull the cable, they don't can pull the cable, they don't thief the wire, the cable, then go the copper. Before that, they happened 2 weeks, about 2 weeks before that, the same thing happened at the same transformer where they can't thief now. They can't thief now. That very day, one lady in the community provide this 400 watt solar panel and then lights for this transformer. Just 2 weeks after that, we see them can't and the lights throughout the net. We don't program the lights to the light from 8 till 6 o'clock. Even with the lights, you can still take this the back for week. Then go take one ladder from one house with another fire, the back of one house over here, and go take the ladder and then use for thief this.
This is also the first time, if I can remember, we cover news so they thief this particular transformer pattern. So talk to me, people are not there around this transformer and isolated area?
They're not isolated. People and they keep pumping and then two place they are in they keep pumping and they sell different things. They sell rum where people in the car, man and they can't keep pumping. So we wonder what's in the apple. What's really the apple? This is supposed to be one community now. A big shop for week to week down Saturday morning. You can see and again, just in 2 weeks time. Now the other transformer self, we don't try for erect fence with your permission of EDSA. We don't try for erect fence for make sure so we secure the transformer. Then community people don't see using again, so we are still maintaining security there, CSV there, and make sure so we fence this place.
But probably CSV then they still the thief pattern.
CSV not been doing operation. Honestly, they're not been doing operation. So this year.
So, will I get any plan for do fencing at this transformer where they hold the thief?
Yes.
And this community, they know for thief business?
Well, of late, as the community they grow, as they full, when they get their experience, and the people and they go thief the people and place the net. They get the experience.
Right. So, what do you go want for tell the authority and the community people they watch you?
Well, I go let for tell the community people say we need for come together to make sure so this thing where they happen not happen again at this community.
Well, today, Community Watch, the team will visit Grafton Police Barracks. Meko join me, Amos ACC. These are police barracks, one of the biggest and oldest barracks where they inside the Western World Area District, according to reports. Then Phoenix Barracks, 1985, where the way you still be each day. We find out say this barracks clean, well structured and peaceful with 250 quarters and 8 officers' quarters. But just like any other community inside Freetown, they lack plenty things like water facility, power network, hospital, market, lights, and they host them the leak. But most of the women them will tap na this barrack and get themselves with agriculture, while the man them can go work. The only thing we them proud of inside these barracks now school, field and hall wey need renovation. Prince Koka na stakeholder na the police barracks. Him be tell we wetin they need more na the barracks.
But the most important problem na the barracks na water. We no get water at all. We no get water.
Right, we want to apologize for get some scratch on that particular clip day. But anyway, we want for bringing the voices of the youth. The team go worker, of course, around the Dundas Street, Pademba Road. Well, Tilly Williams get more on that.
My name is Michael Smith, aka Korea. My own skill, a driver, and I don't learn skill. I've been at this going from since 2006. I don't do now. I don't learn skill. I don't go. I don't open the family. I don't take care of the family. I don't call on the Papa government, the present government. Now we're in charge. Let them count school. Let them count some shoe. Let them see. Let them face you. Let them prove. This time around, we call upon them. Because nobody will talk for you. Pass them. Now they don't go to situation and skin. Let them count. We go in the office for the youth. Not so for we no more. For we, the young one, they come back. They ask for employment. So they go employ themselves. They don't go do bad smart. They don't say them community man and they joke for. How they not for security, civil police. They not for the necessary job in this community. How they clean this and bag what they do. Any affab for a job they really come up in this community. Now they do. The police of our government there, they look up to now this time around. We see that they develop other community, other car washing. What's about you now? We don't have streets now. We are with the big Papa government. Say help with this time around. Papa government, we have been pleased so youth minister look up to you. We are Papa government.
Yes, we are Alpha Bangura.
Well, this is self-help at Bauma by Mechkem. Godrich, make you join WJJ Talker.
Mina Mr. Momodu Kama, a stakeholder in the community. Mina Maui interview, so Mina in chairman, Mina the marketing. This road it mean a lot for me. Big development. Mina yesterday we talk about the robot with the concrete development. But now we know say Mr. Samuel. What can I not take the phone light? That's when they will just blow off. Now instead the light come back. So I see now see where this first thing 6 o'clock now Mina the first can not call me. So the cow can now instead of they stand they can stone they can as I say this now just go stand under them because people and then book them put they don't get damp now. Automatically me say okay, what's the best way? No put under this man also.
Bad. No, it would not be fine. For them, for them, we buy. We said we catch born.
But so, how many times you don't put on top bike? We be easier. We be the passer.
Well, my name Ali Sisi. Normally no skinny. You know, one and I Mexican community, Mexican bridge. Closer by Bauma. But this road, I don't take 20 years now. I know the strain of this road also. This road also 20 between them. Government come continue for make this road also. They just can make it there. And the drainage is not fine. They just cannot more hours so they make and they left farm. So the past 5 to 6 years now, without the supper now, imagine they run also bike the Fodon, Kumbuga, the Fodon. Some below nearly one bond also.
Alright, really. Alright, so now what are these possible we can challenge this road now today?
But this man, the one Mr. Samuel Sisi, when a young man at the community, they don't take almost 4 years at this community. But there are so many people there like that at the community, then they will develop at this community. So this man in this side for Canada, this community will help the poor there.
Alright.
Alright, we want for bring an update on that bridge that Ward 46. We will join Dominic JJ Talker.
Well, Mina Councillor Mohamed Dabo of 436 constituency 128. Well, today I want to give the press and the general community people updates of say the work today will complete 50% of farm from last year we turned the soil over because the place now water running area with very difficult to construct bridge and we don't need go 5 feet down for now we make sure so we get very deep hole so we erect the pillars there so we don't fix all the 7 pillars there with 5/8 iron as you can see them and now we can box them and do concreting of the wall and the foot of the bridge.
Alright, so far so good. Now, so what does it mean?
Well, this mean very importantly to the community people. It mean very good thing because recently they took a just for the Messiah where everybody they say, hey, let God help the council, let community people come around them, let this bridge try down because as how the bridge in progressive one they come in the slow place so we get more risk and thing they will happen. And as you can see, water they come everyone whenever rain come. It's very difficult for letting motorcar or whether one motorcar and person they use this particular bridge. It's very tiny. So with this one way we try to do so, at least if we finish them, it will be very good for the people in this community.
Of course, if we finish them, it will be very good. But now why the community people and they don't support so much because also one businesses?
Yeah, exactly. Well, the community people when they come at me, we get labor and each man themselves they come and give them support. Some they give them financial support because they know say actually for constructing bridge is not an easy thing. So they need to come here because this particular project like community development project. So everybody are invited for come and make sure so we push up, we do and make a well swam now for the general public now they benefit out of moreover like when I get in season the country school beginning they use this bridge for cross for camp which is very very risky and when next can come the bridge not get really so like now a death trap and it don't crack as well where it can collapse at any time and me no go one like what's happening at Savage Street similar thing like that happen in our community moreover for the young baby who be lost now recently we can jam and go over neighborhood for survive the injury we end up for lose them so that they all speed up and make community people for Sicily we try for construct this bridge the one for the most standard one compared to this old one we get to.
Well, now they're going to Kenema and join Safamoriba.
Boku from Buden and the nation, where some school pikida be for them, they get for gather RC mission at Blamatan, we said the chief minister na salon, Jacob Jutusafa, be get for commission a bridge and cover them where it was 1.5 billion loans na Blamatan small boat chiefdom, Kenema district, with couple where it come out from the government of Sierra Leone through the Kenema district council, where they join hand with the member of parliament for constituency 011, Honorable Peter Musa Mwegwa. The one then, where they attend the ceremony, began for observe the COVID-19 protocol. The paramount chief and small boat chiefdom, PC Mohamed Kokosole Dafi Bejan, talk say, small boat chiefdom get love as he don't get beaucoup development from the government. And he tell thank you to the president, His Excellency, retired Julius Madabio, for the attention where he don't give to small boat chiefdom. He tell thank you to the late paramount chief, Senesi Jumbo, where he be paramount chief from 1898 to 1905, where he been given the land to Catholic Mission for Development. He battled the chairman, Kenema District Council, Mohamed Olevo Amadou Sise, and his team, and Honorable Musa Peter Mwegwa, for what then they do for small boat chiefdom, for where then they bring development na the chiefdom. The chairman, Kenema District Council, Mohamed Olevo Sise, tell thank you to the government for the support where they give the councils then across the nation for bring development to the doorstep of the community. He tell the people then beaucoup thank you for where they put the president and then for outside and they and now the responsibility for ensure say development meet them. He praised the honorable member of parliament constituency 011 Musa Peter Mwegwa for the move where they do for bring development na a constituency. The honorable member of parliament Musa Peter Mwegwa where he be the talk tell thank you to the community people then for the support where they get whenever he bring development na the community. He assure the audience say he not go sleep as long as now for bring development na a constituency. He tell the government thank you for the support whether they get na a constituency. The Chief Minister Jacob Yusuf Safar, he also say the government they continue its support for the people them across the nation at all time. He say more development lies ahead for Kamna the communities then. For where use, Mina Safar Moriba na Kedima this.
Alright, we want for being at this as Dauda Kama Dom Sewisodo set for giving update on the latest thing that will happen in Akono.
The Royalty Vocational Institute we tap na Tankoro Chiefdom Dom Pulnado students we don't graduate from basic skills and diploma na the school. The students then they match na the different streets them inside Koidu City. The demand for the Royalty Vocational Institute we na the creative director Reverend Mrs. Bella Michaels tell thank you to the people of Tankoro Chiefdom and Kono for William Batuam. He talks say the Royalty Vocational Institute may start for work in Kono district from 2019. Talks say this school year so na forget train to woman them so they will become self-reliant and battle them family. Talks say the woman them do this 10 years so they may learn for make bead and tie, make up for woman them when they married, decorate different places them, recycle waste products and turn into valuable item. Call on the government and other society organization for make them battle the institute for make them get support for push the school go before. Talk say all the students and waiting at the institute and they pay nothing, and for that they need support for get more women them, and call on government to the Ministry for Book Learning for make them support the institute. On behalf of all the Paramount Chief with them inside Kono District, the Paramount Chief in web for Nemikoro Chiefdom, Madam Masa Bona, we this immediate for say.
So much from I can see we women that they move from inside will be done day. Before this time, we then a kitchen, we then be us. We not do nothing, we not contribute towards the development of the home because we not get nothing. But now, they see women there, when they come up for making them learn something, let the creative that they host, let them able to bring food can at the table, let them help them money. If so, we continue with women there for do so for making the capacity. I believe say the home will be peaceful.
Women them we may learn different skills them during the training we don't graduate today. Me get this for say.
I got my basic certificate and I get my diploma certificate and I get the best student certificate for Royalty Vocational Institute.
For Wales, Dauda Kamara and Komba Soka put this report together.
Well, the Kosoton women in agriculture don't officially pull on our door. Moses say send this report.
We officially launch and they release the organization open for activity, for more activities. So we hope and pray that we will get more donors, then we will be able to partner with we and we will be able to support we, so that whatever we plan, we will be able to achieve that.
Now, so it be starts with the Kosoton Women in Agriculture organization. We launched this program at the Kosoton community. Esotu Olankul, now the executive director for Kosoton Women in Agriculture organization. He say this organization now for help women then with agricultural material. And also Punado, the executive member.
We make sure so we add on whatever thing the plants, like if we say the spring onions, sometimes just a small portion in the plants. We will make sure so we provide them for them. We provide the cucumber seed and other things that they need for plants, and make sure so we give them the agricultural tools we go make them able for take care of the plantation. Hopefully, we hope for go down the swamp and get a talk with people them. Now that make we invite few of them, let them self come and the message go reach out to the other one they will not be able for come. So Lord just say like in a month's time we will able for understand wetin they want, even though we don't go during the rain season, but we get understanding say rain season the one that we can plant and can up the water side because the water is too much. So we still get them and we hope so not go late because they can plant like 2 or 3 times in the year.
See, one party woman there, he serve the plants garden na use. Thank you to the consultant women in agriculture for where they launch this program here at the community. And he say this is not the first time for launching a program there.
This means a lot to me, brother. But because as you can see right now, we get plants with the plants there, we get cassava leaf, we get green. It means a lot to me. If I can get, because of where they launch this program soon, the only thing we need, and support we need. Because throughout these plazas, if I go sell them, I get money out of there for paying picking and school fee. I get money out of there for put for cook. I don't go again for go buy cassava leaf in the market because I get cassava leaf. I don't go to the market for go buy kenke, I get kenke. That need a less expenditure for me. It reduce cost for me. And at the same time, they get small income. I tell them plenty thank you for what they can launch this program for. We are really so happy. The only thing no more we need their support, like for seed, for plants, so that we self go able for get something out of there. I really so happy. I really so appreciate for this particular big thing. How they give me company young girl the way they out there. Before them they don't get pass and fall food, they do nothing. This agriculture business what we do, it count a lot of income in our life. No say hey, I'm your own time so. The little small thing the way they do, which I do. Go do one for go get you living. Agriculture they count with income. Agriculture they make you need able to here again now. If you get small change, they can't don't strong and agriculture like this small chop money. But if you don't get these plazas, you don't get this cassava, if you don't get half thing, you go able to market and manage. So they encourage me company they all in and can not ignore agriculture.
The IEC officer at the Waterloo Council, he said we tell thank you on behalf of the council, and he promised and say for next year budget council would see adequate budget for them so that they will support the woman them. They will see how this organization will support the woman them. For we use Namosi say this in this report.
Alright, we go for a short break. We'll come back with the continue the program. Welcome back. Now we return the microphone to you. We'll send the message then.
Well, I will start with this first one. We say SLRA on the try for locate the zebra line them plenty at some points them, but that's not enough because plenty driver them not they expect the zebra. We have put sharp speed bump them from Amado Speedo na in station.
But this one say the third wave again. Now we blessed Mama Salone. Say this really sad for we. Say, hey Allah, take total control from Sadu Zito na hill station.
DSF say, me and my team member them, they call on the state authorities them for go work on the fire disaster sites them, for help them victim them and NGO themselves for the look inside and provide food and basic items them. They come up from Hansen Bangura na hill station.
COVID-19 vaccine, face mask, social distance, and for Wasan, all for Corona. God help Mama Salon.
They say the people them will get plenty experience by electricity and then they able for thief them transform cable them. I really they wonder waiting for do for stop them more from side of Zito na hill station.
It's a fire inside in season. In Oizio, Papa God sorry for winning this free tongue. From Peggy.
They say, may God console the people them were not affected by the fire accident. It come from Samuel Aniakola, aka Samuel Eto na UK.
This one say black man saw it and laugh. He say people that was they born, other people they go for go thief them property them. Say that's not right. This is terrible and a act for belief. Say bravo to the winner of the by-election. They say hope say you will live up to expectation. Say road business a problem na Salone from Samuel. So we use sensitive man don't boku na the country. Voices of the youth is really sad because this is a strategic car wash point. I hope say the youth minister will get this message from Sadu Zito na his station. Alright, we get tidbits now where they say Aja Tuture, it's been travel from railway line, White Street Junction for Kiaman Road, Congo Cross Bridge to Moriton Bike Road Junction. They say Bindepa Tap Bike. They say in single key with key holder lost. If anybody see them, they say they will get something that person there. So I hope so you don't get this information. Alright, we carry on with the program. We want for bringing a community watch as this happened now that by that Donald Street Panenbao Junction. Go join Tilly Williams.
These are police barracks, one of the biggest and oldest barracks where they inside the Western World Area District, according to reports. Then Phoenix Barracks, 1985, where the way you see big day, we find out say this barracks clean, well structured and peaceful with 250 quarters and 8 officers' quarters. But just like any other community inside Freetown, they lack plenty things like water facility, power network, hospital, market, lights, and they host them the leak. But most of the women them wait up na this barrack, engage themselves with agriculture, while the man them can go work. The only thing where them proud of inside these barracks now school, field and hall we need renovation. Prince Coca na stakeholder na the police barracks. MB tell we waiting they need more na the barracks.
But the most important problem na the barracks na water. We not get water at all, we not get water. Because the water will get the dam, the day the government will put. We not get the machine where they pump the water from the dam to the tank where for supply barracks. We not get that machine. The state water most of the thing and they come out very early in the morning to go find water. And then they don't lead to but continue to pregnancy in the community. Lead to pregnancy, lead to other upper with girl picking and then they get involved back. They get water presently now from the stream, what they call spring water. And that water, they know to water we clean you not fine for drink. If you want to drink water, first we buy 150 million for 1.5 gallon. Now you buy soda, you drink, or you buy packet water. Them back we building the non-old. These bags is over 30 something years old. Most of the roof they don't well. If you watch, you will see also so strong than the new pancha. Most of the park they don't well. So the leakage, you go inside the quarters, all over the quarter, then they leak. And manage no more to manage the quarters, so they don't leak. And the electrical problem, most of the wiring at the houses here, they're not old. Mostly, you can see no more sometimes electrical problem can come fire cage. And beside that, they will get 2-3 quarters, they will not burn because of this electrical problem.
As a content and other stakeholder, now the barracks, instead be tell we how then the woman then they do.
Well, with the woman, they not easy for me at this barricade so. We don't suffer too much at this barricade so. When person picking sick, pass you take to car, you go tampon at some. Sunday month can they safe. Hospital no get hospital na so inside this barricade hospital no deep. You no get hospital inside this barricade. When person woman want for born. Pastor can go na cottage. And you know if for we the woman that we dey suffer too much at this barricade so. A kid side, e not fine for me. Because when you come out for go na market, they reach you foot all on poto. Don't get market, the market to get na inside camp dey. We begin market and barricade, but I don't know what happen. Then you also bakusa with the way you see no more now. Pass you the go and claim up, put see the place they leak. Outside the leak. And this service back on they will picking they will get they will girl picking most of them. This water business has no longer belly. So then they go and vaginate there with small picking they will get.
Will be same way to talk to Saleh Dumbuya, one of the chairlady of the youth man them and the barracks. Instead we rob mouth per the water business, and in the same also tell we how life turn for them as youth man and the community.
Like where picking can go get water, the tears most of the youth they get belly because some people left knows there 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, you know what they go do. So what they expect for me go to man no more, and with the experience they learn when a small picking around 18, 17, where that's what for people always they consider water because if no they go na net to go get water, we know they grab by almost go get water. That's only the be. If people let in a hose water there, we know they say because get pump they even pump they inside the barrel. So if the tank they supply water, we know they go picking they go almost o'clock for go get water then.
As the team they left the community, we also find out say teenage pregnancy now all that way rampant inside the barracks just because of water and light problem. So say government and the one that we concerned go send there in these barracks for Weyus Jorian Dumbuya the reports.
Alright, well this community watch as the team go work on a grafting police barrack, and of course the Monsieur Sese and Jorian Dumbuya been did it, as you can see them not to Chile Williams and in fact not to Donda Street. One for bringing at this as the Ministry for Fisheries and Marine Resources don't seize one consignment of them small fish that they call them juvenile fish. We the report say that boat day na Guinea they go from Salon. Well them stock of fish then they actually this is the latest way where people they fishing na Salon water illegally. One of the way that Nandi we put inside Salon water for camp fishing. Right now, all them catch the day, they don't can go to the Suhum Fishing Company na Moritong. When we don't story Ibrahim Bindede, go tell we more.
The Iranians that this will face with. Every now and then, with the holla say fish no day. But we are very look at boats and give all the access for go inside the IZ. And they go and catch them for the fish. So don't feel bad. So if this you don't catch her now, you don't catch this, what's in the arch? What's in the turn into big fish? Imagine how much big fish each bag will get. This now by cup then they measure. Look at fever. All this. Now for cargo now other neighboring country them. For go give their own fish them for it. Then we they left now without fish. First thing they got that don't think here for cargo. You set up as a citizen, you get like a for all them and call in our fisheries. Now we can't take the action. Because until we stop this, we're not going to get better fish now water than they don't fish them.
They just putting the minister the top this now. This now a juvenile fish them where then they go catch na the rivers there, na the coast. Fish we supposed for go into the fisheries and go big, and then the industrial go kitchen, the other artisanal fishermen and some go kitchen. Now they don't go anymore, you know, because then they stop them right from Musai, then lay egg right from Musai, then they burn them. Then they stop them from going into the water now.
So they don't civilize for themselves as juvenile. Now baby fish. Baby fish. Baby small fish.
Now baby fish. This the quantum within the quantum within it pass about 10 tons. Imagine if a 10-ton fish, this amount we did also.
Well, for the Olympic game na Tokyo, Japan next month, the Salon swimming team they na Italy they train right now. Abdul Kabir gets more.
The Salon swimming team currently in Italy, who said they get a very good time. The two swimmers they don't qualify for the Olympic Games will get for take place in Japan. Now Joshua Wise and Titi Dumbuya. Well, as you can see now the pool, then they get fine training. And this now wait for prepare them fine one, so that when they go to the Tokyo Olympic Games next month they go for bring come home good loyals. Mohamed Touina, the Secretary General for the Swimming Association, he tell SLBC how they glad for this kind of initiative and this kind of project for help promote swimming and swimmers in the country. He tell thank you to the kind of support that don't get so far for them and they in believe say they go come with good loyals at the end of the day. For Wayu Sports, Mina Abdul Kabir, the report.
Alright, the Chelsea fans them were fan club now Louis to celebrate the success of the winning of the Champions League. Well, Chile Williams gets more on that.
Now Abdul Karim, they call me Karembo of Chelsea. Well, we got a big celebration today in Louis Street here. We are the Chelsea supporters who support Chelsea in England. This is a big celebration because of winning the Champions League. So we come together for make this celebration today.
Alright, some will go and say, what you making now that decide for celebrate this day?
Well, why make we decide for celebrate this day? Because other people will celebrate themselves choose one day, we don't do it earlier. One do it for them down properly and fine, and then come off nice. I make good and so.
Alright, so now all the Chelsea fans where they lose.
No, not all Chelsea fans, the stakeholders them, the help them, the quality man them, the big man them, sober man them, and they'll choose and the other wire.
From we're going to talk, say, when you talk all this talk show, we recognize that the European, outside they know una say, una a stakeholder for Chelsea fans.
Yeah, I'm going to do all that today for them know they will say, all right, I do a world for them and see. Even Rodriga, when I tell Salom Bobo, we play for Germany, we'll see, we'll say, they might not list to support Chelsea.
Right, this thing that you want to continue?
But they continue with even the Super Cup, sir. This is a celebration. The Super Cup, we're going to make a big pass this, so we're going to go for some pass.
Alright, other team going to watch you and say, hey, una don't bring in start this. How them go copy from una?
Well, they will copy from me because I can slap on their face. Because they see the kind of celebration, they see the kind of caliber people they will get. Yes, the people that they sober, they will do something one man call, they will make all kind of food for them satisfied.
Alright, when they smell food them, like they will see drink and everything. Okay. Now give that, now somebody shop bottle on and put together.
Well, a couple people that put more, they will put together for no good celebration.
Alright, so how this celebration go for look like?
Go for nice and fantastic.
Well, make we go now with Health Corner and see what's in commodity.
My name is Jennifer Smiler. Let's see when the man and me I go hospital, then go do scan, then do test, then say na cancer. But the money now we don't call and get money, so I ask for help. For me they help me. For God and Nabi. Anybody.
So how long we don't live for this sick here?
Now inside this 2021 year, this care begin by me. But we don't go corner, cottage, they not tell me the main facts. So I go life care now, and I go do scan, do everything, and I then tell me what's the main problem. So I then go tell me say na cancer.
So how much they seen at the money?
I think like 8 million for do the operation. But they people then they talk say, people then they talk different, we don't understand. But then say then they do it. And so they tell me they say 8 million. Now what allow me there. 088 62454. The number and
alright, one for bringing on this quickly. This now innovator, somebody will try for do something, they show talent. One for the Siam, as serious to say, get more.
Tell me how you come about this Bluetooth, locally made Bluetooth together.
Just come with idea number one lady and see that like for one.
Okay. So say getting thing that we use, items we use for the
items are from the box and items.
So what's everything?
Alright, okay, well, quickly before we round up, we'll bring the last set of text messages then.
Well, I will continue with this one. As the COVID-19 case don't they go up, especially in the capital city, them don't reach for the people and they prevent themselves because no one gets another lockdown from Boss Elena Dwazak.
This is the power we DBN what word in the community. Success will always be the result of anything we then put and pan together from side Zito.
This say now lawlessness no more they make them fisherman them. They can fish small fish them just for spoil the future. Make the Lord deal with them from concerned person.
Me and the team member them, they call on the youth minister and the team for good worker and engage the youth them na Donda Street, Waska, from Hansis Bangwa na Shmalaton.
This say we use una thank you for this fine program today.
Well, this one they say Royalty Vocational Institute, say God bless you all from work.
Well, this say, I hope say government through the Ministry of Transport go try for buy more bus them for salon people them, especially na the city, because people then really they suffer na Eastern. This na cause for concern from boss Elena Dwazak.
This one say Papa government say do you identify them? Anyone we una catch, say let them cut them, finger them, or sentence them for life imprisonment from Mustafa Ramadan Fofana na Hill Station Old School Car Wash. Alright, well that's so we will put the cutting down. We hope say you will enjoy the program. Continue to watch this program as we always bring us surprising things where they happen in and around the country. Well, we will do the program.
Joey and Dumbuya.
With the producer na Reverend Lucian Ganda. We want to tell all colleagues by their own way we join and for make this program reach you now. My name na that must say inshallah we'll see you on Wednesday.
My name is Patrick Salia from Freetown, where we cover the impossible